Hi, welcome to Appliances. A question we're being asked a lot on our search in our channel is what's the difference between net and gross capacity on a fridge freezer. So we've got this big monster Bosch fridge freezer here, which as you can see inside is absolutely huge. But what gross size is what the whole space would be if you took all of the furniture out of the inside of the fridge. The same with the freezer. You can see all of these shelves take up actual space inside of it. So gross is, if you imagine you took everything out, laid the appliance on its back and filled it up full of water, how much you could get in there in litres. Whereas the net size is the real world usable space. So when you look at net versus gross, sometimes you can have a 300 litre unit as gross, which has only got a 225 net size. So we always say to people, check that you've got it right, because some customers come in and they're quoting a gross size versus a net size and it's not a fair comparison. So just to recap, gross is the complete size of the box, net is the usable space you have inside it. Thanks.